Kikubor ki babnia. Kum gajing persyang ban Kyntiew yaki sap ki pong bat ban Kyntiew yaka Karkhana Shna Phlim haga Jylla Menteri rangba ukon rat sangma lembat Menteri kam jingok kai uba polling do kila ai Jingïarap hapo ka Hello Meghalaya initiative hasilong kani ka Jingïarap kalong hadu san lak tingka yaki Phlim lingkot bat lai pu san lak tingka yaki feature Phlim kabatmu ban ai kerensan na kabenta ki nong Shna Phlim badang ki hakani ka program lapen I ya kabenta baningkong jong ka Phlim ha lingka beneng bat la pelai ba ya gajing ya sam kelyang ya karukom Shna Phlim lembat ka FTI Arunachal Pradesh shu la pdi perdaru ya ka Phlim roadshow ka balai posngi ban Kyntiew ya karukom Shna Phlim ha ka than
larger context and the larger picture that we try to create for the youth, we realize that there's a very important gap in the film industry and filmmaking sector in our state, which needs to be pushed. And we saw that there was a huge potential lying in it, which had not been tapped. There were so many youngsters, so many creative people who had so much of potential, but sadly there was no platform for them to move forward in. And that's when the entire story of how we could move forward in this line, and this whole area started to come up.
Menteri rangba Jylla ukon rat sang